So here, as you know, I'm too younger, so I can't use gas stove to prepare anything. So today I'm going to cook something without fire, and the thing I'm making is called Channa laddoos. So in Channa laddoo we have taken so as you know that Channa laddoos are good for the health, and here I have taken 2 cups of Channa laddoos. Okay, this is roasted Channa powder, and it's good for diabetics. And don't worry, it's not only for diabetics, it is for all the people. And here I have taken grated coconut. Here, it's 1 cup, and this is also 1 cup raisin puree, because the 3 things: sugar, maida, rice, and there is 1 more, salt. These 4 things are very harmful for our health. So I have taken raisin puree, these crushed almonds, and these cashews for decorating the laddoos. And here I have taken green elaichi powder, and here I will mix in this bowl. So first so dear friends, ready to prepare? Okay, so first we will take these desiccated coconuts. Now I will put this almonds in it. Now I will take elaichi powder, green elaichi powder, and raisin puree. Now mix it well. So, I forget to tell you about ghee. Ghee is not good for the health, so I will take this much ghee, tablespoon. So here tablespoon, ghee डाल दिया. Now we will mix it. Now we will grease our hands with ghee. And now we will make laddoos. Like this. So now we have readied all laddoos. Now we will decorate with cashews. seeing, these laddoos are now ready. So this is nicely prepared, and it is also good for health, as I have used that roasted chana powder, and in the place of sugar I have used raisin puree. This is good for health for everyone, non-diabetics and diabetics.